Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Robinhood card. First, we'll cover the basic eligibility requirements. Then, I'll show you where to find the application within the Robinhood app. We'll walk through completing the necessary personal and financial details, and finally, how to review and submit your application for approval. It's a straightforward process to get started with your new card. To begin, you'll need an active Robinhood brokerage account that is fully verified and in good standing. Open your Robinhood app and look for the cash card or spending section. This is where you'll find the option to start your application for the Robinhood card. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once you start the application, you'll be prompted to provide some essential information. This includes your current residential address and contact details. You'll also need to confirm your Social Security number for identity verification purposes. Be prepared to answer a few questions about your employment and income. Finally, carefully review and agree to the terms and conditions of the card. Before submitting, take a moment to carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate. Once you're confident, submit your application for processing. Robinhood will then review it, and you'll receive an email or in-app notification regarding your approval status. After approval, your new Robinhood card will be mailed to you, and you can activate it easily through the app upon arrival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.